Okay, so here's the example of a headlights that I'm doing. So you can see there's some deep scratches on here, some oxidation, and we're gonna clear all that up with some Cerakote. So we're gonna be using these headlight ceramic as a finish, and we're gonna use these deoxidizing oxidizing remover, and you can find this at Walmart. They're about like $18. Yeah, and then we're gonna hit it with some Adams polish, polishers, cutting compound, and a polish just to restore it. Yep. So first thing you want to do, you just want to use, you can use a clay lube or soapy water. Just spray that and use either a clay bar or a clay block, and just go take a little bit of the contaminants out there. And once you're done clay barring the headlights, you could start using this oxidation remover. So this is going to start turning yellow once you go on the headlights. I'll show you here. Just a few passes. And you see just a little bit is coming off, but you can go till you run out of your oxidation, deoxidation pads. So this is what your wipes are going to look like after the oxidation remover. And you can start just removing all that excess oxidation stuff that's on there. Just remove it all so it's dry. And once you're done with that, you're gonna start using the sanding blocks that it comes with, and I'll show you what they look like. So you'll have a 3000 grit and a 2000 grit. For the first session, you'll be using the 2000 grit to remove all the hard scratches on there. And to remove the scratches and all that, with the pad that has a 2000 grit, you'll just use like a clay lube or soapy water and just spray it on there. And use your 2000 grit and just start sanding. And once you're done using the 2000 grit, it's just gonna look hazy like this, but don't worry. You'll fix it with the 3000 grit, and after that, we're just gonna start polishing. Done with the 3000 grit, you can see it's less hazy. So now we're gonna finish off with the 3-step polishing process, which is gonna be compounds on that one, polish on this one, and polish on that one. Now that we're done with the heavy cup pad polish or compound, it looks really good, but we're not done yet. So now we're going to go with the medium pad, and we're going to start using the polishing for Adams polish. Okay. See the final results. Looks good. Now I have one more to do, and we're gonna start doing it with the this super soft pad. So this is a polishing pad with the polishing compound. So now we're almost done. Final step is using the ceramic restoration clear coat. Here's this pad, and look at that reflection. And that's it. That's how I use the ceramic headlights.